Hey guys, what's going on? Darrow Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrow Addison, Torpedopot.com. Guys, we manufacture self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food with no human intervention. You see that planter right there? All I did was put my seeds in that planter. I put my plants in that planter, and it literally grows my food for me. Okay? So I'm about to come outside and have me a really decent meal. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to pick. Guys, Torpedopot is a wonder of the world. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it opens up so many new pathways. Things you've never seen before in your life starts to take place. And it grows in places that you couldn't ever imagine. Food is amazing. Isn't it amazing? It's called Torpedopot. We call it sustainable biotic environment. Inside of that planter, Torpedopot, we create a sustainable biotic environment. Its job is to sustain that environment so that your food can maximize that environment to start to grow by itself. Isn't that amazing? It's called Torpedopot, the world's first self-growing planter, and they are all so beautiful. Oh, they are so gorgeous. And what's so good about it is that they're still growing. They're not finished yet. So what I've got to do is this. We make self-growing planters, and our goal is to make planters so that you can eat. I like to eat. I designed this so that you can eat. So my self-growing planters will feed me. So let's go over this again. My name is Darrow Addison. I am the owner, founder of a company called Torpedopot, where we make self-growing planters that grows your food for you. See, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in these planters, and it grows your food for you. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life because it's all over the place. We estimate with just these 9 planters, we'll be able to grow about 60 melons. We've already had 2. We're about to get some more. So what I'm about to do, guys, is I'm about to sit down and have me breakfast. I haven't had breakfast yet. So I'm going to mix this with another video where you can see me actually having breakfast with my melons. And you can enjoy it with me. Let's go through this one more time. My name is Darrow Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot, where we make self-growing planters. We're about to change the world. We're about to put food in everyone's hands, not just any food, healthy, nutritious food. Yes, this is an organic growing process that grows your food for you. From the first to the last, the beginning, they're just all so perfect. Do you see any deformity? No, not at all. Not at all. We control the growing environment with Torpedopot. With Torpedopot, all you do is put your seeds and plants in that planter. You control the plant's environment. It makes it do things that the plant is not aware of. Mr. Plant, do you realize I'm here? Yes, I know you're here. I know you are. Mr. Watermelon, how are you doing, sir? You look nice and bountiful. I think I'm going to cut you up today. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, Torpedopot, the world's first. Is it sitting on the ground? Yeah, it is sitting on the ground. Nah, I don't like that, but no problem. And what these planters do is grow your food. I never water. I never feed my plants. All I do is come out and I eat. I eat and I eat and I have a ball. Listen, I don't want to throw a monkey in your wrench, but I'm going to sit down. I'm going to have me a decent meal with my Torpedopots. And I want all of you to have this. Torpedopot.com. I want you to go online, order your Torpedopot, and guarantee your food security. These are not our only growing systems, but you need to find out what we're doing. Torpedopot, the world's first self-growing planter. And trust me, I'm going to have a delicious meal this morning. I only pray and hope that you're able to go online and see what I see so that you can have a delicious meal also. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, founder and creator of the concept Torpedopot, where we make self-growing planters that will feed you for the rest of your life. In these planters, we're growing now about 60 plus melons. Now, you need to know something. This planter is not, I didn't put this planter together to eat. Because if I ate off this planter, the fruit would be gone by now. You wouldn't be here. Why? Because every time I eat my food, faster it grows. When you put your seeds in that planter, once you kick off that growing season, the more you eat, the faster it grows. The goal is to hit it. You're going to get your early watermelons and you get your later ones. And they're all going to be so different and perfect. So it's designed for you to eat off of. I'm only growing this because you're here. That's why I'm growing it the way it is right now, because you're here. But no, I eat my food every day. So I'm going to do a video of me sitting down and I'm going to eat my melon. Okay? So I'm sorry, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. And guys, thank you so much for your time. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.